You purchased a new construction home. When you purchase a new construction home, you don't know who might have a copy of your key. Multiple contractors and employees have had access to your home's key. The safest action is to have your home rekeyed and have the peace of mind in knowing exactly who has a copy of your key. You purchased a previously lived-in home. When you purchase a previously lived-in home, there's no way of knowing who has a copy of your key. The previous owners may have distributed it widely, and it may be in the hands of an unscrupulous person. The safest course of action is to get your home rekeyed. You lost your key. If you lost your key, there's no way of knowing where it is or who has it. It could be in a landfill, or it could be in the hands of a dangerous criminal. Since you have no way of knowing, the best way to protect your family and home is to have your house rekeyed. If a roommate moves out, when a roommate moves out, you have no way of knowing if they made a copy of your key. If they made a copy of your key, they could use it themselves or give it to someone to use. Protect your family, home, and valuables by having your home rekeyed. Your spare key isn't returned. If you gave someone a spare key, but they failed to return it, it's time to get your home rekeyed. Knowing a copy of your key is floating around out there somewhere can be an unnerving feeling. Getting your home rekeyed will return your peace of mind. After a divorce. After a divorce is an important time to rekey your home. Once your lawyer gives you the all clear, call us to rekey your home. Even if it is an amicable divorce, it is important to rekey your home. Once your home is rekeyed, you can decide who will have a key to your home. Things in your home have gone missing. If things have gone missing in your home and you don't know how or why, it is time to get your home rekeyed. It is possible someone has a copy of your house key, and rekeying your home will make it stop working. After a break-in. If your home has been broken into, it's a good idea to get your home rekeyed. Even if forced entry was used to enter your home, you should get your home rekeyed. You don't know if the criminals took a spare key you have forgotten about. Faulty or broken locks. Having faulty or broken locks is a serious security concern. If your locks are not working correctly, they might not be secure. The safest course of action is to get your home rekeyed and have all your locks repaired or replaced. Having well-functioning locks is the first step to a secure home. Standardizing locks. Having one key to open every exterior door in your home is convenient and lends to the best security procedures. A great part of a home rekey is you can get all your home's locks to open with the same key.